Hey guys, I'm Zen and welcome to a video on Jurassic Den. Today we'll be opening the Topps Jurassic Park collector's card right here, all the way back in 1993 if I'm not wrong. In fact, these cards are actually produced in 1992, which means these cards are actually over 30 years old. So let's open this up. I basically got this box a couple of years back from eBay, and this is going to be really exciting, very nostalgic. So yep, let's have a look at this box. Really beautiful box of cards right here. All right, I'm struggling to actually insert this. Okay, there we go. Very nice. Let's have a look. This is the beautiful packaging. Look for random action holograms, which will be very nice. I'll probably sleeve every single card later on. Okay, I have my penny sleeves right here. So if you guys do not know, I actually collect a lot of cards. I collect a lot of basketball cards. I do have a basketball cards channel, but today we'll just be focusing on Jurassic Park cards. The first one right here, we have a raptor. Beautiful. This is actually like a sticker. You can actually peel this off. And a very nice long climb to freedom. This is basically the visitor center, I suppose. Very nice. And here we have the sick Triceratops. You know, this is the iconic scene, and you have the details of it right behind. And we have some characters card right here. This is Team. Gorgeous. And that was the really exciting scene where Team was told to climb down the electric fence. Beautiful illustrations of some Velociraptors right here. The back, you can find the information, and all these cards are in really good condition. As you can see, every corner is really sharp. The surface is really good. I suppose all of these are Jam Mint 10. Centering of this card is not really good. You can see this portion here. And Team jump. They're basically asking Team to jump down from the electric fence before it comes back. And this is basically Tyrannosaurus Rex. You have Dr. Ian Malcolm, John Hammond, and that's Dr. Wu at the side, the hatchery. Okay, so this is the first pack. Gorgeous cards. Really gorgeous cards. Let's open our second pack. Now, opening this, you have to be careful, because sometimes the corners of it might get damaged. Okay, there's another pack below. This is weird. This seems to be a smaller pack. Okay, Jurassic Park. Collect all 10 cards of a puzzle A. Here's what your completed red border picture will look like. This is nice. Rex on Rampage. Here's another really beautiful one. The mural comes alive. Immobile and invisible. Entombed by time. Velociraptor. Here is a Triceratops. Refrigerated refuge. So she's like basically hiding in the kitchen. That was a very iconic scene. Right. Let's open another pack. So this is basically the Dilophosaurus. The Dilophosaur. Flat and furious. The conditions of these cards are just perfect. I think majority of them are Jam Mint 10. Would I send them for grading? I doubt so. Deadliest dinosaur. The Dilophosaurus drops by, tearing through the fence. Robert Muldoon, the main gate. All of these cards are really beautiful. Let's hope we can find the hologram. That'll be nice. This is a Gallimimus. Dennis Nedry. You got Ali Settler right here. Stalking the Explorer. Dr. Ali Settler. Beautiful illustration. Onset. Distracting the beast. Using the flare to distract it. Tim and the raptors in the kitchen. That was extremely exciting. Velociraptor. We've got the park explorers preparing to pounce. Hammond Dream. Brachiosaurus. The Art of Crash. Beautiful. To be honest, I don't know which are the rare ones. I can't really tell. All I know is that we should look for the hologram. Raptor Patrol and Jerry Harding. Okay, let's have a look. This is a beautiful one, Brachiosaur. Onset. Lex. Beautiful illustration of the raptors. Rex versus raptors. Raptor in the shed. Easy prey. Raptor hatchling. And this one looks really good. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Raptor. A Long Climb to Freedom. Flat and Furious. Rex on the Rampage. Dennis Nedry. Park Explorers. Onset. Another Onset. We are almost done with the first box. I mean the first stack, not the first box. This one is a nice one, pretty iconic. It hungers again. Unexpected onlooker. This is basically the scene where the Dilophosaurus attack Dennis Nedry. The paleontologist. Gallimimus, the chicken mimic. Beautiful illustration of the Brachiosaurus. Close up and a side profile. Invading the control room. Tree toppers, I love this scene. The Brachiosaurus basically interacted with Alan Grant and the kids. And the Brachiosaurus actually sneezed on Lex's face. That was very, very funny. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Triceratops, the sick Triceratops. The hatchery again. A hungry stare. John Hammond. Okay, onset. Distracted by Lex. That was a very exciting scene. Hell upside down. A tour through time. Still no signs of the hologram. Hopefully I'll be able to find a hologram. This one is a really beautiful one. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Distracted by Lex. Raptor in the shed. Easy prey. A lot of them are repeats. T-Rex. This one is a nice one. Flat and Furious. 8 movie cards and a sticker. The sticker is basically the one with the white border. Yep, this is the sticker. Condition is absolutely beautiful. Rex on the rampage. Dennis Nedry again. Park Explorer. Onset. Yep, majority of them are the same cards. I mean, it's expected. This is the sticker. Entomb, by the time, I think this is the first time you're seeing this. Gallimimus, your Brachiosaurus painting, invading the control room, tree toppers, a hungry stare, refrigerated refuge. Yep. So a lot of them are actually very, very repeated, I have to say. T-Rex sticker, Velociraptor, the rescuers, the same one, same onset. 2 holograms randomly inserted in every 36 packs, so we're definitely hoping to land the holograms. So far, still no signs of the holograms. Hammond's Dream. I think this is probably the first time. This one is nice. Predator on the Prowl. First card. Raptor Patrol. We've seen that. Jerry Harding. Probably the first card of it today. The Dilophosaurus. This is our first the Dilophosaurus sticker, I think. The Terror from Below. This is a new one. I've seen that. Beautiful illustration. It's a beautiful sticker. I mean, not a sticker. A fence too high. Flat and Furious. We've seen it. Dennis Nedry again. Gallimer sticker. I have to form a new stack. Still no signs of the hologram. Perhaps this pack could be the one. I have a pretty strong feeling. This is a nice one. I like this. To Alice Settler on set. We're halfway done. Lex preparing to pounce. Hammond's Dream, Brachiosaurus, The Art of Crash, Predator on a Prowl. Alright, let's open this. T-Rex, this is a nice one. Some scratches right here, not too sure whether I caused it. Probably, you know, when I was trying to open this up, I could have scratched it. This is hard to open. The sticker. You're still yet to see any new cards. All the same. Still no signs of any holograms. Kind of disappointing. Let's try to find a hologram. Invading the control room. Oops. Oh, there you go. Our first hologram. Wow. This is our first hologram. Very nice. The surface is not very good, as you can see. The corners are rounded. Pretty cool. There's a bit of a surface issue right here. Let me see whether I'm able to clean it off. I can probably clean this off later on. Just gonna sleeve it first. Okay, this card, it's this sleeve is not a very good sleeve, so what I do is that I just slice this open and you can sleeve it more easily. But we definitely need a bigger sleeve. Okay, cool. I'll put it right there first. Fallen Behemoth. This is the first one. There might be 2 holograms, so let's keep opening. Let's keep opening. This time we'll go... Oh, this is the first time. First one, Splitter Attack. We'll go a little faster because we have majority of the cards. And we just need to... Oh, okay, in Malcolm, this is our first card. This is also our first one. Cool. So we do have some new ones. Survivors. Stalking Muldoon. The Fury Within. This is also a new card. So there are a couple of new cards in this pack, which is cool. Okay, to endorse or denounce. This is a nice one. This is a new one. Triceratops. Velociraptors is also new. Confronting the Horror is also new. Awakened by a Friend is also new. So yeah, there are some new cards in this stack, which is very nice. Perhaps this one will be different as well. This is also a new one. More new cards in this stack right here, which is awesome. This one is a new, I mean, this is the second time, but it's still considered quite new. Tyrannosaurus Rex. This is the Compsognathus. Tim is probably quite new as well. Hungry Stare. Can't remember if we have that. No Escape is the new one. This one is a new one as well. Let's hope we can get another hologram. That will be nice. There you go, another one. Cool. This is a beautiful one. It's a hatchling. Very gorgeous. Let me sleeve this card. There you go. This one, the condition is way better. Deadliest dinosaur. The Dilophosaurus dropped by, tearing through the fence. Robert Muldoon. Is this the first time? Yep. This is also a nice one. The mural comes alive. We've seen that before. So we've got 2 of our holograms. Last 2 packs. Last pack of the day. Cool. Yep. So that's all. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. I definitely enjoy opening these cards. And I'm going to sleeve all the cards and put them into an album. And I'll probably show you guys later on, okay?